My name is Mr. Chukwudi, Okaforcha. Yes, I'm a staff here in Fine and Applied Arts, a graduate assistant to be precise. I'm also a graduate of this very department. I graduated in the year 2010. Actually, I can say that I have a talent for art from childhood when I was still in primary school. So it gets to a point, sometime during my secondary school days, I try to deviate because of the kind of friends I have. Most of them are into sciences. So, but getting to SS2, that is senior secondary 2, when we are supposed to register for WAEC. So I had some encounter with some of my elder sisters who already know what I have. They insisted that I have to go back. I have to retrace my step. There's a place I belong that I have to go in there and do what? Get it developed. So that was how I now had to go back to follow the right path. I was very opportune to meet up because I was already backward. Others has gone far. But being someone that has that talent in him, I was able to meet up with others. So I came in here in the year 2005 as an undergraduate. Yes, I'm like here in UNN, in UNN School of Arts. First year, second year, we expected to go through all the section, all the areas of arts, Fine and Applied Arts. Then we have 5 areas in art. We have sculpture, we have ceramics, we have graphics, and we have textile. Yes. So you have to undergo all these sections to have basic knowledge. Then in your 3rd year, you're expected to major in a particular area. That's how I find myself here, because I have interest in sculpture from the onset. I have very deep interest in sculpture. So I came here, and by God's grace, I was able to key up into what they are doing. I was able to develop that which is inbuilt in me. And by God's grace, I came out here in 2010, the best graduate in sculpture section. So it was after I graduated in 2010, I went for service. After 1 year, I couldn't come back immediately because I got a job immediately in Abuja, where I worked for like 10 years. It was sometime last year, around April, that I got a call from UNN that they needed me here, that I have to come back. So that's how I managed to come back. And here, by the grace of God, I am one of the lecturers here in this very section. Yes.